Hello, you are welcome to my channel. Once again, my name still remains Lukman, and the channel is about how to make money online and offline the smart way and not the difficult way. Today, I want to quickly bring to your notice something that I have noticed, especially during this recent pandemic, the COVID-19. I've learned a very big lesson from this pandemic, and I don't know about you, but this lesson I think is evident to everyone. And the lesson is simply that the present and the future now is going to online business. That is doing an online business. If you really want to succeed and want to make a lot of money now and in the future, you need to start thinking of starting an online business. And thinking of online business, I have done a video talking about online business. I've done a video, 7 ways to make money online, and you need to watch that video. Maybe I will link below in the description that video, so that you can go and watch it. There are so many ways to make money online. I've done a video, several videos. I've done one on how to make money online, 7 different ways to make money online, 4 ways to make money even online, even if you don't have any skills, and those things that you need to succeed online. Maybe you need to watch that video. That video is very, very important, because this COVID-19 really taught me that if you want to succeed now and in the future is now. You have to go online. If you can see, during the lockdown, so many companies, so many factories, so many workplaces closed down. The only business that did not close down, I think, is the online business. Even e-commerce, that is buying and selling online, was still going on. But other businesses, even banks, were also affected. So now you need to go online. Consider going online. You have to start an online business. That is the future, because very soon, anything you want to do, if you are not online, then you are not anywhere. If you are doing an offline business now, you should start thinking or start looking for ways to take that business online, because that is the only way to survive. If you are not online, recently, before the lockdown, before the pandemic COVID-19, in the US and UK, most of the supermarkets, most of the superstores, most of them closed down. Most of them were just closing down. Reason is because so many people prefer to go online to do their shopping online. They are not doing physical shopping. You be in your house, you order for something, and that thing will be delivered to you. So you have to even the banks, most of them have banking apps. They have online banking platform where you can do your banking without leaving the comfort of your house. So now you can get whatever you want in the comfort of your room. But you might be asking me, I don't know any business to. There are so many businesses you can go to. I will link in my video. Just go to my channel, Smart Idea TV. Look for 7 ways to make money online. There are so many ways, but there are easy ways. There are very simple ones that you can do. Just check that video and you get more understanding on 7 businesses, on different businesses you can do online. Then 2, it is not enough to just say, I want to do online business. Yes, you can do it, but you have to learn it. You don't just run into it. There are so many scams online. I have to tell you that scams are online. But if you have proper education, then you cannot be wrong. If you have proper education, there are so many ways to learn. If you want any area that you feel you want to go to out of the businesses online, if you know anywhere that you want to go to, let me know. You can comment in the comment box. Write in the comment box. Tell me which area you want, or you can just tell me anywhere that you feel you want me to assist you in any way. Write in the comment box. And if you find this video very helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Just press the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that when next I release videos, money making videos, you'll be the first to be notified. And Don't forget, any business that you want to go to, just learn. There are so many opportunities for you to learn. Go to Google, learn about it. Go to YouTube, learn about it. You can learn it. But if you feel you are the type that wants to learn in the comfort of your room and you want somebody to hold you by the hand, I am right beside you. Just let me know in the comment box, or you can send me a DM and I will gladly come to your aid. Till we meet again, remain financially smart and believe that we can all succeed together.